This is a quick update on the Mihogo 1 or LX 4.0 e-bike. And this is about what I've done to it and how it has performed. So first of all, nothing has broken and everything works. The disc brakes work, nothing leaked out of them. They're hydraulic and it's all good. So in terms of how it came from the factory, everything still works fantastic. There are no water bottle lugs on this bike, probably because it's a folding bike. So I use this 2-fish water bottle cage. I'll put a link in the description. That's great for any bike. You just Velcro it on. You can take it off, put it on a different bike. I use it in a lot of my reviews. And then Cane Creek Thud Buster seat post. So that rubber block there sits inside of a parallelogram, and then it absorbs the small bumps. This is the ST, the short travel version. You might want to get the long travel version for your bike, but they make a short travel and a long travel. And it is great on the street, and this is what it looks like over a gravel road. I think on the gravel road, you probably would have wanted to buy the long travel one, but either way, it smooths everything out, so I highly recommend it. And this thing has a fat luggage rack on the back. I'm using Outworks bags. They're a operation out of Canada. They sell them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. And I love these bags. They're the most functional, folding, lightweight, removable bags that I've been able to find. I had to bend the rack mounts with the pliers a little bit to get them to fit on this bike, but it's basically just there's some snaps there that you unsnap, and then it goes from aerodynamic to freaking gigantic in 5 seconds. And so I have one for both sides, but honestly, I keep one on my regular bike and one on my e-bike because I like to buy groceries on my way home from my rides. Holds my kryptonite lock. That's another upgrade there, the kryptonite lock. Put another link in the description. It's going to be super linky this time. But the Outworks bag comes with a inner bag. Some of the other bags, they don't come with anything other than the bag themselves, but this one actually clips inside of the outer bag, and it's got a drawstring on it you can use to keep your groceries from flying out. So overall, it's been a great bike. Really love it, and no problems at all. And I also like the tires. A lot of e-bikes come with knobby tires thinking you're going to be off-road, but if you're going to do a lot of street, a street tire makes sense. This one has 300 miles on it, and if you would compare it to a knobby tire that has 300 miles on it, there's literally no comparison. This thing's going to go for, hundreds of miles, thousands of miles perhaps, but a knobby tire would have worn its knobs out on the street a long time ago. So that alone is a great idea and a great selling point, especially when you look at the price of tires if you need to replace them. They are not cheap. They're about the same price as motorcycle tires. So if you're interested in the Mihogo, check out the link in the description. They call it the Mihogo 1, but they also call it the LX 4.0. So I'm not sure what it's going by on their website. Things seem to change over there, but it's around $1,400 or $1,500, which is a great deal.